Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and this video is dedicated to footwear. Accessories are the best part about fashion and footwear just makes or breaks your outfit. In this video, we'll talk about simple flats and simple heels that you must have in your wardrobe to elevate any kind of outfit. Basics and neutrals like your blacks, blues, maybe a burgundy, maybe a nude shade. That just really gives that finesse that an outfit needs. I have created a collection of around 10 to 12 pairs that I think are very good as per your choice and taste, which I have linked in the description to shop. Currently everything is in stock and you can shop them. Let's start. One of the most interesting pair of heels right now that I saw is this one. The color is just so different. It's not burgundy, it's not brown, it's just somewhere in the middle and it just clicks. It's so pretty. This will go with all your monochrome and basic, maybe your plains, maybe your neutrals, your beige monochrome outfits. It will look great with brown tones, with whites. It will just look amazing. The color is so different, so chic. A very chocolatey, maroony, burgundy color. I think it's just lovely. Next up we have these kitten heels, a little peep toes for you. Peep toes just add a little element to the overall look. The shade is so pretty, the classic burgundy color which is all over the Instagram. Everybody has been just loving it and for good reasons. These looks great with anything. They are day and night heels. I just love these two. These are just so pretty. Now these are what you call the star of the show. The perfect pointed, the perfect suede, the perfect pencil heel, and it's just a very sexy pair to own. I think I just love Mango heels just because the price point is right for the quality and finish that they are giving. Most of them are under 5,000, which I feel footwear is something that is like an investment because you don't want to spoil or hurt your spine very early, and usually young people like us like to wear heels a lot, but it should be good cushioning. You should not run for cheaper heels, cheaper footwear just because they are cheap. No, they are expensive for a reason. They are expensive because it's not hurting your body. It is not hurting your knees. It is not hurting your spine. Don't run for the cheap. Invest in good pairs. These are so pretty. You can style this with every outfit. Like these are great even for parties, even for everyday, even for office, sometimes for maybe your casual brunches, your casual dinners, and why not just wear those heels. I can't stress this enough. You need a good pair of nude heels in your wardrobe. Nude heels just can make or break any outfit. These from Mango are just so great. The cutout on the inside is so pretty. It looks so put together, so nice. I just love these. The color is perfect. It's glossy. The heel height is perfect. Adds something to the outfit and it just outshines. The outfit feels great, you feel more confident. The walk that you have in heels are just so amazing. Plain nudes and plain blacks are like your best friends. They'll go with anything. You can effortlessly style them. Any bag, any accessory other than your maybe the jewelry, maybe the belt, anything that you add, it will never cross each other. It will always look good. Here I have two basic nude flats for you. I know both are plain, both are simple, then why two? Only because this one is flat. And this right here has just a little heel, which is great. You can opt for either of the two. I have these both because for long bottoms, like if I'm wearing a suit, if I'm wearing a cotton sharara, I like to pair them with flats which are plain and nude. I love the cross braiding here. This one is from H&M. H&M does decent footwear. They are comfortable. They can be worn all day. And this one is still better than most because it is still a little above the ground. I have had flats from H&M. They were like just stuck on the ground and they used to hurt my feet. I am hopeful with these. This has a little padded cushioning also and so pretty. I've got my heels in burgundy and I've got my flats too. So I am sorted. For basic and everyday western fashion, mules are my favorite. I love these loafer mules so much. These are also in the burgundy brown family. This color is just so chic. So this is currently what I am obsessing over. These are very pretty. These look very good. I also carry them with my Indian wear sometimes. If like I have a color blocked suit, a dark shade maybe. And these are super comfortable as well. I even wore them this Holi. And I know I shouldn't have, but it did not bother. I just run them under water and they were clean. So this was a very good purchase that I did. I have so many more suggestions, but I don't want to bore you guys with. I have attached links to many other pairs of footwear that I swear by and I approve of. If you like my suggestions even a little bit, you could go check them out. It's in the description. Thank you for watching. See you next time.